ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदं वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम् ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः. Okay. That we'll do it later. We have seen from this year Chogokuhu, Hodaha, Dade, Datorgaha, Va, Druha, Mugha, Va, Druha, Mugha, Shnuga, Shnikam. Druha. Okay. Then Nahodha, Vrascha, Brascha, Sruja, Mrija, Gaja, Raja, Bhajacha, Sham, Shaha, Ekacho, Basho, Bashya, Shantasya, Sdhogo, Jalam, Jashonte, Jashastatordaha. Then here only Repa. Repa Jananam with Sa Sajusho Rughu Padanta Sakara. Then Karavasana Yoko, Repa will be replaced by Visarga Visa. Ru or whatever may be Repa. Repa born of Ru or Repa, original Repa will become Visarga when followed by Kar Ravasana. Right? Then that Ru, that Repa will be replaced by Ukara when preceded by A or followed by A or Ash. That is in Sapada Saptadhyaya 61113, 61114. So you have to go there only. Okay. Then there itself Eta Tadoha Visa yesterday. This Su is Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachana Pratyaya. Su. Don't think it is Supratyaya. Su Lopa means Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachana Pratyaya of Etad and Tad. Whose form is Yeshaha Saha. That is dropped. When? Hali Pare. When Al follows. Then Bo Bhago Ago Apurvasya Yoshi. Apurvasya Yoshi. Preceded by A, followed by Ash, replaced by Yakara. You have to consider the Apavada, which is in the Sapada Saptadhyaya. Okay. Ru is replaced by what? Replaced by Yakara. That is, you have to consider that. That here the Ru is what Ru? I mean, here it is Repa. Repa is replaced by Yakara. What Repa is that? The Repa born of Ru only. Right? See. This so 8315, 8317. Please pay attention here. 8315. Repa becomes Visarga. What Repa? Padanta. Any Repa, not only Padanta Repa. Not only. Any Repa. Whether it is born of Ru or Repa born of the. Repa is part of the Padam. I mean Avyaya. Right? Whereas here. Bo Bhago Apurvasya Yoshi. Here also that Repa is replaced by Yakara. What Repa is that? That is only Repa born of Ru. How do we know that? See the Sutra Pata. Sutra Pata, that is, yes. Here you can see this the Sutra before that. Karavasana Yoga Visarjaniyaha Rori is there. 8314. Do you see? That Ro is Raha. Raha is Repa. Whereas 8317 you see, Bo Bhago Aga Apurvasya. For that Anuvritti is not from here, not from 8314. Here Roho is there. What is Roho? Ru. Repa born of room. Understand, this is important to be noted. That is why Punar plus Gachati, not Punar, Repa will not become Yakara. It is Punar Gachati. It remains as it is. We don't apply this rule 8317 replaced by Yakara. No, because it is room. So Anuvritti for this two you have to remember, they are distinct. It is Repa, content is Repa, but the original with Anubandha is different. Clear? Okay. Now, after that we saw that Lopaha Shakalyasya. What Lopaha? That Yakara which is born, which is replaced, which replaces the Repa. That goes away. Lopaha Shakalyasya. When followed by Al, always. Padanta Yakara preceded by that condition, Apurvasya. That condition is there. Followed by Al, always, Ali Sarvesham. Okay. So these two sutras together you remember. Lopaha Shakalyasya Hali Sarvesham. Yakara becomes Lopaha when followed by Al or always. It means H follows optionally. Right? These two you have to remember together. 86, 87. Clear? Then after that Monuswaraha, which we are supposed to see. Right? Monuswaraha Nascha Padantasya Jali Yamo Raswach Gikimutnityam. We'll see that later. I've written here. But we'll see that later. Why? Because we are discussing about the Visarga, the changes happening to Visarga. Visarga Adesha, it is what we are discussing now. So we will discuss and then we'll come back to this sutra. This is in the Krama, the order is that is why inserted. Okay, we are talking about Visarga Sandhi, right? Then, therefore, 91, that is 8335, sutra number. Visarjaniyasya Saha, that we will see for the following sutras and then we can see Monuswaraha. Okay. So 8334 now. 83 Sutra Pata, if you see here, this is the Sutra Pata. 8323 is Monuswaraha, that is the changes happening to Makara, Anuswara. The changes happening to Anuswara, the Makara, that is talked about here, and Ashtapadanta Jali also, both. That we will see later. Coming down, you will see 34, Visarjaniyasya Saha. Now you know the rule. What is the rule? Visarjaniyasya Saha means what are the conditions? Yes, Visarga is the Adesh, Stani, Sakara is the, Sa is the Adesh. Sakara is the Adesha. Yes, Sakara is the Adesha. Okay. Then what precedes, what follows? Padanta? When followed by? Yes, very good. Very good. Preceding we don't care. Because why preceding we don't care here? Tell me.
Only when it is we have to it's
followed by kar. You see this. Here, this kar, the kar letter here in 8317, right? You see a sutra pata whether it comes as anuvritti, whether it is given. It is not, I don't think it would have been given. Kara avasana yoga visarjaniyahas, 8315. Sutra pata kutra asti? So heavy, bag is heavy. What is the kar? Up to what sutra it goes as anuvritti? Whether anuvritti is there or not for kar letter? Huh? That is only 16 is visarjaniyaha only will be there, not kar, right? Yes. But this sutra, listen, visarjaniyasya saha, this is for kar letter following. Yes or no? But where is kar? Kar doesn't come as anuvritti. Kar comes as anuvritti? No? Yes or no? You cannot say no, because Sandhi chart you know it.
But it should come.
It should come. That is called, not Maya. Mandu Kaplati. Even though it is not there, it has comes as anuvritti. Like a frog, it jumps as anuvritti from here to that sutra. Only that sutra. Not for all the, like a Nadi Pravaha. Not that it flows for to all the sutras. Like a frog, it jumps from as anuvritti from 15 to 34. It jumps. Manduka. Pluta. Jumping of the frog. That's one type of anuvritti. Many types of anuvrittis are there. One type of, see, when the steps are there, you can walk one by one, or like a frog, you can jump from one step to fourth step to 10th step. If you are capable, you jump and come, right? You would have done when you are a child, right? I have done like that, fallen. That's what it does, that. Jumps. Similarly, sometimes Anuvritti can go from to the preceding sutra also. Listen, that also possible. All depends on the context. That's called Simha Avalochana, like a lion. Like a lion, when it goes forward, no? It turns back and moves forward. Turns back and moves forward. Like that's another type of Anuvritti. The three types of Anuvrittis are there. I'm not saying, Manina Bhagavat says, these are not my own invention. The types of Anuvrittis are there. One is Nadi Pravaha, like a Nadi flows sequentially. Other one is like a Simha.
Can you give us this in writing? The three types of Anuvritti?
I given by word. Shabda is Pramana, okay. Then like a Manduka Pluta, it comes. If context comes, I will give the write-up. But now, just listen.
If you don't write, you evaporate.
Huh? Manduka Pluta. Manduka, okay. I'll give later, okay. Let me talk about the Anuvritti later. Okay. Just remember, like a frog, it jumps. That is okay. Manduka Pluta, like a frog, it jumps and comes here as Anuvritti. So, therefore, if it is followed by other than Kar, that goes to the previous sutra. Either it should go to Sapa Saptadai 61113, replaced by Ru, or it replaced by Yakara and all. So it is only Kar letter. That is understood here. Okay. So when a Kar letter follows what? Visarga. Visarga will be replaced by? Not optionally. We are not talking about optionally here. Visarga must be replaced by Sakara, followed by Kar. That is what this sutra is, 8334. Visarjan, okay. Visarga is Stani. Sakara is Adesha. Following is Kar. Tell me the vritti now. You tell me the vritti, Samskritam. Uh-huh. Yeah. Complete. Sakaraha Adesha Bhavati. When? Follows. Kari pare. Kar pare or kari pare? Katora, you can say Katora Vinjane pare. That's also okay. Kar is Katora Vinjane, right? Huh? Durlabham. Not Durlabham. Durlabham is very difficult to get. Okay. Okay. Katora Vyanjana is hard consonant. Kar. Just using different words, you know. Those who know English, they use very difficult vocabulary to say, I walk, I see. This is what like that, okay. There are some famous person there in the Congress party, Shashi Tharoor. Simple thing, he will make it so complicated and using a big sentence, English vocabulary. People, they will say, watch it. But the meaning is nothing. And the person also is nothing person. It's a stupid person. No value system. Anyway, so Visarjaniyasya Saha. You know Shashi Tharoor? No?
I don't know.
Okay, very good. Away from politics. Good. Visarjaniyasya Saha. Visarjaniyasya Sthane Saha. Saha Pratipadika is? Sa. Sa. And Sa, the content of Sa is? Sakara. That A is Anunas. So, Visarjaniyasya sthane sakaraha adesha bhavati kari. From kari, where it comes as anuvritti. That is called Manduka. I think you would have given here somewhere. So, let us read. Padante vidyamanasya. Okay, that condition also is there. Padanta, we know it. Because kara avasana also. Avasana also is there. Avasana or padanta. Padanta, padasya comes as anuvritti from 8.1 onwards. Okay, so remember that, 8.1. Here he has given Padasya 8.1.16. From there it comes Padasya. Okay. Padasya Visargasya means what? Padasya Visargasya Visarjaniyasya Sthane Sakaraha Adeshaha means what? Visarga of the Padam. Where the Padam? Where in the Padam is a word. It can have always last seat of the bus, remember. Last seat of the bus, it's actually not last seat. I mean, last in a seat, last place. last last place of any seat. Okay, that is padante. There it is different. That kar follows. It's not even dur also. It is a upasarga, means it is a padam only. Okay. Yeah, dur becomes repa becomes visarga. Duk. Yes. So padante vidyamanasya visargasya kar varne pare sakarah adesha bhavati. Clear? Okay. Vidyamana is present. Viddhatu. Present. Nasato vidyate bhavaha. Okay. With. Which gana is that? Vidyate. Don't say second gana. Second gana vid is to know. Veda and all comes from viddhatu. Vid is in 5 ganas. Okay. 5 ganas it is with. Second gana means to know. Fourth gana means it is present. With. Vidyate, vidyate, vidyanti atmani patidhatu. So kar pratyahare, it means what? Sarve varga dvitiyaha. It means
All letters, second letter of all.
varga dvitiyaha, second letter of all the classes. Remember, we said, 108 the chart we gave, no? Second letter, fourth letter, all these are very useful. Varga dvitiyaha, then shakara, sakaraha agachanti. Okay, kar means. All these are your homework. You have to write. Visarjaniyasya saga means what are all the sutras involved in this? Starting from the pratyahara, ith letter, you have to write. Eteshu kasminchit varne pare padanta visargasya samhitayam satyam nityam sakaraha bhavati. Sakaraha adesha comes. Samhitayam satyam is sati saptami. Don't worry, that karaka section we'll see. In the context of sandhi vishaya, nityam, always, it's a must. Like Ramaha tarati, visarga. What was before? Sakara. Sakara becomes ru. Ru is repa. Repa is followed by kar letter. Don't bother about what precedes. Then visarga comes. Right? Ramaha tarati. Balaha tu karoti. Balas tu karoti and all. Now, that's all. Okay. This is utsarga. Kar means kha, cha, all those are there. So we have to 13 letters are there in kar. 13 letters, excepting some letters only the sakara will come. For other letters, shutva sandhi, shtutva sandhi, other things will come. Okay, that we know. Sandhi chart, you take it, always keep that with you. So, here kar means what are the letters will be there? What are the letters? Can kha come? Kha. Kha can come, or it can become jikhva muliya, number 1, possible. Jikhva muliya possible, optional. Okay. Jikhva muliya possible. Then next one is cha. Cha is Shuttam will happen, sakara will become, undergoes further changes, I am saying. I'm talking about the sakara undergoing further changes. Then what is the next one? Tha. What is that? Yes. Tha becomes muddan shakara. Then tha is takara. Sakara remains as it is because takara is there. Then pakara is upadmaniya. Then shakara, shutvam. It undergoes changes. Sakara undergoes changes. If it is more than a shakara, then shutvam. Sakara remains as it is. So all these things will happen. Okay. So these sutras will be seeing then. Okay. Then we will see one by one. Okay. This is clear? The next one is, what is sharpare visarjaniyaha?
Within kar it is shar. Then visarga is dropped optional.
Okay, very good. Shar, what is shar letter? Sha, sha, sa. Pare follows. Shar pare. Shar follows. What does it follow? Where is that visarga?
Anuvritti.
No, not sakara. Why sakara? Previous sutra, visarjaniyasya only comes as anuvritti, not sakara. Right? Visarjaniyasya comes as anuvritti. That's what my question is. What is the sthani? Visarjaniyasya sthani, right? Visarga is sthani, followed by shar. What is the adesha in the place of visarga? Visarga will be replaced by visarga. That's what the sutra is. It means what? Visarga continues to be. But you have to say visarga previous visarga and this is new visarga. Sharpare, within kar, if shar follows, within kar, if shar follows, visarjaniyasya sthane, sorry, not, it is not sharpare, sorry, sharpare is there, sharpare, but another important anuvritti is there, mandukapluti, what is that, that one? What is that? No. Mandukapluti, by that we got kar letter. Karpare, see, sharpare kar, that is what it is. You don't forget that kar letter. Sharpare means it becomes 36. We have to go to the next sutra. Don't go that now. That visarga optionally replaced by, that is the next sutra, we will see that. Sharpare means sharpare kari is there. Kari also comes as anuvritti. Like to the previous sutra it came, the sutra also it comes. Sharpare kar, what does it mean? Sharpare kar. We are talking about the following letter which is kar. And the kar is followed by shar. If that is the case, visarga is replaced by visarga. Okay. Huh? What is it? It is a must. It is a must. In Rudram is a nagadbhyaha kshullakebhyascha, right? The same, that is what it is. So don't see only sharpare. Shar follows. Shar follows, okay. What follows what? Shar follows kar. That is visarga followed by kar and the kar is followed by shar. Clear? So then visarjaniyasya sthane visarjaniyaha adesha bhavati. Vashari only that we will see. Vashari only optionally replaced by sakara. Understand this?
When we have this
Yeah.
we have this example.
Yes.
We have to say
We have to say visarga, pronounce visarga. Right? So 35, 8335, we will see that sutra now. Sharpare, saptami. Okay. Ekavachanam. Visarjiniyaha, pratama vibhakti ekavachanam. Sthani, visarjaniyasya sthani. Padasya comes as anuvritti. Sharpare kari, visarjaniyasya, visarjaniyaha adesha bhavati. Karvarnat paraha, after the karvarna, sharvarnaha agacchati chet. If sharvarna comes, then visargasya sthane, visargasya visargadesha bhavati. Clear? Visargat anantaram karvarnaha agacchati chet. After the visarga, if karvarna comes, visarjaniyasya saha iti anena visargasya sakaraha adesha bhavati. We saw that by the previous sutra, right? Tasya apavadatvena, apavada to that. Yadi yasmat karvarnat anantaram. After the karvarna, shakara, sakaraha, that is shar letter, agacchati, tarhi, vartamana sutrena visargasya punaha visarga adeshaga eva bhavati, eva vidiyate. Okay, this is apavada to the previous one. Previous one, it can be followed by kar, and kar can be followed by anything, any other letter other than shar. Then visarga will be. Visarga can be replaced by sakara. That's what we say, visarjaniyasya saha. But if it is shar, visarga must be replaced by visarga only. Okay. If kar letter is followed by any other letter other than shar, then visarga can be replaced by sakara. If it is shar, then it must be replaced by visarga. Example, Ramaha plus Kshatriyaha. Ramaha Kshatriyaha. Here you have to see the following word, the two words, two letters. First letter, second letter. Okay, this we have seen many in Lavante Brahma Nirvanam, Rishayaka Kshina Kalmashaha in Gita, and Rudram also we have seen in many places. Vishnu Sanam, Udbhavo, Kshobano, there also Kshamaka, Kshamak, right? Kshamaka, Kshama, or many places you will see. Which one? Ramaha Kshatriyaha. You cannot say Ramak Kshatriyaha. No. Ramas, Sakara itself will not be there. Okay, ruled out. Clear? And all these are given sequentially in the Sandhi chart. Just see, have the with you. Then, okay, then the next one. Done? The next one, Vash here only you have to see. See, what is the difference Sharpare and Vashari? Sharpare means Kari comes as Anuvritti. So, Sharpare Kari. Here, shari is there. Therefore, kari will not come. Yeah. The important thing is, kar will not come as anuvrutti. Shar comes, only shar. Among the kar, you have to take only shar. Shar follows. Shari means shar follows. Right? See, you need to note this. When it is in Saptami Vibhakti, it means what? It follows immediately. Shar pare means, suppose if it is shari, then immediately shar follows. But it is not the word. How you has used the word? See, you has used the word pare. It is shar pare is that. Therefore, not shar follows visarga. Visarga followed by kar, which comes as anuvritti, and the kar is followed by shar. That's why that's what the pare is. Otherwise, why pare? 2 letters. 1 letter saving itself, putrotsav manyate, vayyakaranaha. 2 letters he can save. He can simply say shari. He doesn't say that. If you say shari, then what will happen to this shari? It's a problem also. So, the para has got significance. Right? It's called vak tapas. Not just writing on the board. Vyakaran also it is followed, you see, by Panini Maharishi. Right? So, next one was shari. So, shari means, what is a sutra? Saptami means what sutra, what paribhasha? Tasmain iti nirdishte purvasya. Therefore, sthani is visarga. So, shar follows visarga immediately. See the contrast between the previous one, this one, right? If shar follows, then what happens? Visarjaniyasya, visarjaniyaha adesha bhavati, we saw. Shar is a part of kar letter. So, kar letter follows, we said visarga replaced by sakara. If shar follows, va is vartika, optional. So, replacement of visarga by sakara is optional. Therefore, you have two forms. Visarga can remain or you can replace by sakara. But mostly you will see, what you will see in the text? Presence of visarga will be there. That is what in the Gita and many places you will see. But when we chant, we replace it by sakara, shakara, om, shantish, shantish. Shantihi is there. Shantihi, shantihi, shantihi. But when we chant, we replace visarga because followed by shar letter, replaced by sakara. Sakara becoming shutvam, shantish, shantish. Right? This example only I gave in the 180 course also. I am not prepared. I am not registered some examples for this. It naturally comes. And maybe it is there. Suddenly that memory is invoked. What example I gave, I remember. Okay. So, Vashari. Clear? When shar letter follows, then let us see what he says in the Vashari. Visarjaniyasya, visarjaniyaha adesha bhavati, shari pare. Shar varne pare, visargasya vikalpena. Visargasya sthane vikalpena, va means vikalpa. Optional. So, example, harihi shete. You can say harihi shete. Yes, you can say harihi shete or you can say harishete. Replaced by sakara. But after that, we cannot stop. Because we are in Tripadi, we have to go to the end of the sutra till whatever sutras are applicable, you have to apply. Sakara becomes shakara, shutva sandhi. That we will see later, it's going to come. So, that is the link. That is why Monuswara we skipped. First visarga transformations we will see. Right? Now, it has got a vartika. Vashari has got vartika. What is that? Kharpare shariva visargalopaha. Remember this? Another possibility. What follows now? Visarga followed by what? Shar follows kar letter. It's over already.
It's kar followed by shar.
It said shar follows kar letter. It means already over. Visarga is followed by shar. Shar is followed by kar. Yes. Shar. Okay, I accept. Okay. You said the other way actually. That's why I said. No, that you understood what your intention, I understood. It's okay. So, previous one was sharpare kari. This is karpare shari. In both, what you have to see is what is in Saptami without para. Para is all Saptami, only para is there. What is in pure Saptami? I mean, pure Saptami means The pratyahara declension saptami I am saying. Shari is saptami. Therefore, what follows? Shar follows. If kari is there, kar follows. Kar following shar is sharpare kari. Gone. Already we have seen. Now we are seeing kar pare shari. Shar follows, which is followed by kar letter. Then what happened to visarga? Dropping is optional. That is by this vartika. Okay. Where? Sandhi chart will be there. Okay. Sandhi chart, you can see that example is given. Okay, this let me see whether he has given here. Okay, I think here is not given, maybe given somewhere. Yes. Karpare shariva visargalopaha vaktavyaha. It's Vartika. Yadi, I am reading only this Vartika. Then two Vartikas are there, but this Vartika is given. This alone is enough for us now. Yadi Sharvarnat Paraha Karvarnaha Asti. After the Sharvarna, Kar letter is there. Targi Visargasya Vikalpena Lopaha Bhavati. Optionally Visarga becomes Lopaha. So it means what? Visarga becomes Lopaha means Visarga can be there or Visarga can be dropped, right? Followed by, which is followed, Visarga followed by, yeah. Suppose if it is, suppose Visarga optionally drop, suppose you drop it, one form, you don't drop it, Visarga will be there, right? Visarga will be there. Then therefore, Visarga is there, followed by what letter? Shar letter, right? We can replace it by Sakara. So, three forms will be there in fact, right? That's what he says here. You can see the example. Yata, the third form Sakara is by what sutra? Visarjaniyasya Saha, 8335, that sutra. So, this sutra, two forms. This Vartika, by that Vartika, two forms. Visarga replaced by Sakara is 8330, that's one we saw. Visarjaniyasya Saha. By that, Sakara Adesha. By this sutra, what we say is the Visarga, if it is not replaced by Sakara, right, because optionality is there, then that Visarga can remain or Visarga can drop. So, three forms will be there. Clear? Understand? So, Yata Ramaha Stata. So, Ramaha Stata, that is by the previous sutra, that is Visarjaniyasya Saha, you can replace Visarga by Sakara, Ramastata, number one. And here Shar is followed by Kar letter. Therefore, we say Visarga is, that before, Visarga you need not replace, you can drop it or Visarga can remain. So, you have three forms. Ramaha Stata or Ramaha Stata. Clear? So, Stada to maybe the Statru, I think. Trich pratyaya must be. How can be ta pratyaya? Okay. Stata, Statru. Abider, the one who stands, stander, abider. Stander is there? No. The one, Stata means he the one who stands by that. I mean, not literally standing, not physical standing. What called? He follows. He is not walking his talk. Walking the talk, yes. That's what it means. Yes. Walking the talk. Steadfastness, Tata, he abides by that. That is the meaning. Arihi Spurati. Hari Spurati, Arihi Spurati or Ari Spurati. Understand the three forms? Yes. This is by the Vartika to Vashari. So, now you need to remember the three, all the sutras together. That is Visarjaniyasya Saha, Sharpare Visarjaniyaha, Vashari, Karpare Shariva Visargalopaha. That is Vartika. Not only that, one more sutra is there. The Kar letter, when we say Kha Kha Pa Pa, what will happen? Ardha Visarga. See, it is Ardha Visarga. Okay. The Ardha Visarga is half Visarga. It has got the name. If followed by ka, the Ardha Visarga is called Jigva Muliya. The Af Visarga is called by the name Upadmanya if it is followed by Pakara. How it is pronounced? Jigva Muliyasya Jigva Mulyam Upu Padmaniyasya Oshtav. Upu Upadmaniyanam Oshtav. That's why you say. Here also it is there. I mean, I am not able to type. Anchaka, you can try this. Ardha Visarga should come here and here. What the symbol of Ardha Visarga is given here like this. See the sutra. Half. See, Visarga is full colon, right? You remove top and bottom, you get two semicircles. That's called Ardha Visarga. If any symbol is there, you can find out. I'm not able to type here. Out. That's why I left it here in my Word file.
Bracket and you can change direction.
Really? Can you do it? I don't know. If you like this, can you change it the direction? I want it horizontal now. I don't know. Okay, but for time being, I am doing like this. But, huh? But circle. Sorry? Actually, previously I made into a the JPG file. I paint I did, converted that into a file, pasting. It's so complicated. Simple idea, it was not there. So I checked it. Not there. No, not there. This one. I checked it. After the chanting class, I went and probed. It was not there. So how do you say? Kupvo khap poucha. Kupvo kaf poucha. Okay. Okay. What is kup? Okay. What is kupvo? Kupvogo. If you split this, kupvogo kaf poucha. Kupvogo. What is kupvogo? What vibhakti is that? Kupvogo. Saptami. Kupvogo. Ku and pu. It's Saptami. Guroho. Ekavachanam is given. It's Samaharadanda. Kupvo. Not. Why Dvivachanam? But then if it is Saptami, it will become? It is Shashti. I mean, it is not Shashti. Sorry. It is Kupvoho is Kupu is the Pratipadika. Okay. Kupvoho Kafpaucha. Why Panchami? What is the Pratipadika? Okay. What is the Pratipadika? Kupvoho means Saptami Dvivachanam. Okay. What is the Pratipadika? Kupu. Saptami Dvivachanam will be Guruvogo. Therefore, Kupvogo. Yeah. Guroho is it, that's why Guruvogo. So, Kupvogo. Because Visarga you are talking about. Therefore, this must be Saptami. So, but Visarga is going to be replaced by Ardha Visarga. How would you say it? If it is Kakara follows, that Ardha Visarga. Pakara follows, that other Visarga. That is what here he says. You can't pronounce, okay? So, here it is Kakaras Ardha Visarga. Here Pakaras Ardha Visarga. Okay, this is that we refer to that by the Ucharana Sthanam. Jikhva Muliya and Upadmanya we say. Okay. So, this is the Adesha. Kapau, okay. For the sake of pronunciation, I am saying Kapau. Let us say Kapau. Kapau means that is Adesha. Okay. Adesha in the place of Visarga. Visarga when followed by what? What is Ku? Oh, it means all the Kavarga you can take it. That's a good question. You see, think and answer. What is Anuvritti? Manduka Pruta Anuvritti? Kar letter. What are the kar letters in Ku? First two letters. Other letters you have to exclude. Clear? Similarly, kar letter of Pu. Papa. Other letters you have to exclude. Because they are hush. Understand? All these are included. So much information is contained. Kupvoho. Then the Visarga must be replaced by the Ardha Visarga, it will be called Jigva Mulya if it is followed by Ka. Ka, Kha. Here, just for the sake of saying it's in Ka, it is only Ardha Visarga. Okay. Similarly, Pau, when you say it is only Ardha Visarga, that is what Pau is. Pau. So it means Ardha Visarga, that Visarga replaced by Ardha Visarga corresponding to Pakara when followed by Pakara. Visarga will be replaced by Ardha Visarga corresponding to Kakara when followed by Kakara. Understand? Yes or no? You understand, I know it, leave it. It's because you have seen this so many times. Yes. Maybe I say it fast.
Just cha refers to ka and pa.
Cha is, the replacement is what?
Option.
Yes, Visarga can be there, Ardha Visarga also can be there. That's what it means.
Cha refers to that.
Cha refers to that. So, let us read the Vritti, Sutrata.
Va is cha.
Yes, Visargasya kakare, that is a kar letter. Okay. Pare, because nowhere kar is there. Kar you have to bring as anuvritti. Okay, here it's not given, but kar is there. Otherwise, where from Kupvoho means all the kavarga letters, paruga letters can come. Those are not included. We are talking about Visarga. When Visarga is born, followed by kar letter. Therefore, you have to filter the other letters of kavarga, hush letters, and similarly pavarga letters. So, Visargasya kakare pare jigva mulyaha visargaha va bhavataha. Visargasya pakare pare upadmaniyaha atava visargaha. Right? Adeshaha bhavataha. Clear? That's what it is. Done. Very good. So, quickly we are doing. I think this week we will finish Sandhi. All the sutras. So, done 8.3.37. So, you need to remember these sutras together from here onwards.
91 to 94.
Yes, all these are really. Actually, it starts from where? Visarga? Sasajusho Ruhu. 8 to 66. Then, after that, year. After that, if it is followed by Ash, preceded by A, that is Isa. Kara.
Soft consonants and those.
And then, yes, odd consonants. So, this replacement of Visarga is covered in this sutra. Replacement of Visarga. Visarga is born in this sutra. That is here. Sasajusho Ruhu up to this 80 to 84. Visarga. The Repa is born. Repa has become Visarga. Okay, 80 to 84. Then 80 to 84, 85. In fact, you can include 87 up to that. 80 to 87. Visarga is born from Repa, and Repa that gets Adesha, Ekara Adesha and all. Now that followed by Kar, what happens? That is covered in this Sutra 91 to 94. Clear? Now we will move on to the next Sutra. Next Sutra is what? Not Ali Sarvesham. I have to type it. Okay. Ali Sarvesham already done. Next Sutra in this is. No, not that one. Next sutras are there, but we need to leave some space. That's because we are going to see that later. What is that? That is, Sakara will become Murdanya Shakara, Shattam number 2. Okay, that we will see later. When does become Apadanta Sakara? Remember? Apadanta Sakara, which is part of the Pratyaya or Adesha, preceded by in or ku, will be replaced by Murdanya Shakara. I have given a special handout for that. Shatvam, Sattvam, Nattvam, Nattvam. It is there. I have given a lot of examples there. I copied from a book. It's a good book. That is Shatvam. That we will see. As Sutra we will see later. Clear? So, you need to leave some space. Don't copy as it is the Sutra numbers. That will come later. That is Nattvam. I am talking about Shatvam now. Yes. After Shatvam, Nattam will come, right? So, you need to leave space for Shatvam and Nattvam. So, you can see now, see the screen. Which one?
You were talking about now? Which one?
This one sutra will come, which we'll see that later. Not only one, actually, some 4 sutras are there for Shatvam. 4 sutras. Some sutras are, that's the Adhikara Sutra. So that we will see later. It is in 8.3. 8.3 number is not here clear in this. It says 8.359. I just make it 8.359. But for 8.359, other sutras will come as Anuvritti. That is 8.357, 8.358, 8.355. These three sutras will come as Anuvritti. We need to see that. That's what it is, yes. Okay, let me, so you can do like this. This is 8.3, 1 minute, 8.355. Then we'll see this later. 8.355, then 8.357, 96, then 8.358, then 8.359. So 98th sutra is what is Shattam is. For that, all these three sutras comes as Anuvritti, 55, 57, 58. Okay, we will see that later. Because now we are talking about the changes happening to the Visarga becoming Sakara. So we will continue with that, right? Now, after this, if you go by the Sutrapata order, Natvam comes. Rashabhyam no naha samana pade. That also given. Natvam, please see the chart. Rashabhyam 841, 842. That also we need to leave space. So let me do that also. Because we are going to see that later. Tomorrow we will see that. 841 and 842. So 100th sutra is Natvam. 842. Okay. Why I do like that? I can better type this. We will see that sutra later. Let me type.
So the Shattam number 2 is going to be?
Padantasya Murdhanyaha. I'm just typing the sutra. You can copy also. Padantasya Murdhanyaha. Then in Koho 8357. 8358 is Num Visarjaniya Shar Vya Vayepi. 8358. Shattam number 2 is that's Adesha Pratyaho. That is sutra. Okay. 8359. Adesha Pratyayoho. Adesha Pratyayoho. Pratyayoho. It must be. Adesha Pratyayoho. That is Shatvam. 4 sutras. Apadantasya Murdhanyaha. Apadantasya means what? Apadanta Sakara. Murdhanyaha is? Murdhanya is the Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachana. Murdhanya means Adesha. Adesha is Shakara. Inkoho is Panchami. Inkoho preceded by in or ku. Then what happens to that Apadanta Sakara which belongs to Adesha or Pratyaya will be replaced by Murdhanya. That is one. Even when it is intervened by Num, Visarga or Shar, this Shattam happens. We have seen that very elaborately. Many times in fact. So 4 sutras take care of Shattam. Then, huh?
95, what is the number?
Where is 95? 59.
95.
Oh, that is 95. Apadantasya Murdhanyaha. 8355. In your Sutra Pada, you have to see what number is.
It is this number.
Okay. Then 9th Sutra is that one Nattam happens. Rashabhyam 841. Rashabhyam. What is no and naha? Naha means what? Naha, what vibhakti naha? Dantya nakara, what vibhakti? What is that? Stani. And naha is? Both are naha. See, both are naha means, then the pratipadikam is same or different? You tell me. It is different. When you say naha, what is the naha pratipadikam is? Nakara, good. Its saptami, its shashti vibhakti will be naha. And here, mudri nakara pratipadikam is? Na. Akaranta. Okay. Both are not one. And pratipadikam also not same. This is Shashti, this is Ekavachana, Pratama Bhakti. Samana Pade. Nonaha, Samana Pade. This we know. Dantya Nakara will be replaced by Mudani Nakara when? When followed by? When preceded by? Repa or Shakara. One Vartika is there. Repa is there, therefore you have to consider Ru also. Ru Varna cha iti. Ru Varnat cha iti Vaktavyam. Ru Varna also should have been told. So it is Repa or Shakara or Ru. Ru means Ru also, all the forms. Okay, that is Vartika. Then, if it is not immediately preceding, intervened by at, ku, pu, ang, num, vyavaye api. Vyavaya means intervention, vyavadana, vyavaye api. 842. So this part, Shattam Nattam, we will see tomorrow, right? Clear? Then you can have to look at here only, or in the book maybe given at the end. The end of the book Vartikas are given, I think. Okay. Then now after this what sutra we can see? In Sandhi Sutra, Sandhi Chart, what sutra is there? No, Yamukatama gone already. Oh, okay. You're saying that. What is that? Kuttam. Kuttam and all gone. Now we have seen. Yeah, that is what is going to come now. So Visarga, we are changing the replacement happening to Visarga. Now Visarga, in the place of Visarga, what has come? What letter has come? Sakara. When Shar letter follows, what is Adesha? Visarjaniyasya Saha. What will happen to that Sakara? That is what we are going to see. Right? Therefore, it is Stutva Sandhi now. It is Stutva Sandhi. Stoho, Stuna, Stuhu. What is Stoho? What is Stuhu? Stu and Stoho, what vibhakti? Stani. Pratipadikam is Stu. What vachanam is Stoho? Not Dvivachanam, it is Ekavachanam, Guroho. Okay. If it is Dvivachanam, will be different. Here it is Samahara Dvanda. Okay. And Stu is what vibhakti? Pratama vibhakti. So, Stu means Sakara and Tavarga. Sakara, Tha, Tha, Dha, Dha, Na. And Stu is Shakara and all the Chavarga letters. How do you replace now? 6 chairs are there, 6 people have come. Yatha Sankyam. Right? Is it like that? Yatha Sankyam.
But also because of the preceding and
Tu, Chu, it is Yatha Sankyam. Because they are Varga Vyanjana. And Sakara is Ushma Varna. Okay, so Ushma Varna has got corresponding Ushma Varna, replace it. Right? And Stuna is what? Stogo, Stuna. Stuna, what vibhakti? Tritiya vibhakti. So far we have been seeing Panchami, Saptami, Shashti, Pratama. What is Tritiya? Tritiya word is, it can precede, it can succeed. That's what it means. In contact with, that is the word we use, in contact with. Preceding contact, succeeding contact. Remember? Elaborately, we said, again, all the possibilities written on the board once upon a time.
plus equal, but you said it's not plus.
Preceding, succeeding. It means Stu can precede or succeed. If stu precede, what will be succeeding? Stu. If stu succeeds, what will be preceding? Stu. In both cases, what is going to be changed? Stu only. It is only going to be, stu only is going to change. Okay. So Tritiya Bhakti. Yes, number is 8440. Okay. So that is what we are going to see. Okay, I just listed down the sutra. We will see that maybe tomorrow. Time not there now. Stogo stunashugu. Okay, suppose if it is stogo, if it is murdanya shakara. Stogo, it is stuna, the same thing. Here becomes shtugu. 84, next sutra. So these are the places where the change is happening to sakara when it is followed by shar letter. Shar letter also within which are what is that? Sha and sha. The change is happening to sakara when it is followed by shakara or mudani shakara. The change is happening to tavarga letters when followed by the chavarga or tavarga letters, right? That is. Now apavada is there. Okay, here stoha is not there in the sutra, it comes as anuvritti. Okay. Stunashtugu only. But we understand. Stunashtugu. The next one is two su apavadas are there. One is for the Shtuta Sandhi, other one is for Shtuta Sandhi. Both we need to know. Okay. First one is na padantat to ana. That is na padantat to padantat, it is to ranam 8442. Then shat.
There was something with Virat example.
What example?
Example with Virat. Virat is padam and it doesn't change. There was something.
She said talking about examples.
Example. Okay.
Given us some.
At 8443.
8440, no?
Yeah, it's 84. This is 105. It must be because one more sutra is there in between. 4. This is toho she. That is 8443, and 8444 is shat. Okay. So stoho stunashtuhu na padanta toranam tohoshi shat. Please, when you come tomorrow, go to the Sandhi chart, understand this sutra, recollect what it means, so that we can see the sutra. After that, Anunasika Sandhi, Anunasika Sandhi null comes. But I think we'll be able to complete before this week. So we don't need to have extra class then. Then after Tuesday, we'll do only Antwan. Sutra is stopped. Okay. Then I'm preparing notes. I will be sending you. You go through that in your vacation along with your Bhashyam writing. Okay. I will never forget certain things. It is deeply impregnated. Yeah, Bhashyam. You can write. Okay. You are going to write. And Mala was very good. I should appreciate. It's excellent Mala. For Jnaneshwari, I think you did, right? Very nice. Okay, we'll stop now. Please go through these sutras. I mean the Sandhi chart. Om Purnamadav Purnamidham Purnad Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.